everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. India aims 50% non-fossil fuel energy by 2030, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 2 Air France pilots suspended after mid-flight fight in cockpit. Hardik Pandya star as India beat Pakistan by 5 wickets in last over, thrilling in Asia Cup 2022 on Sunday. Criteria for Agniveer aspirant from Uttarakhand need relook, said CM Pushkar Singh Dhami. Now news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday reassured the world that by 2030, 5% of India's energy production will be made by non-fossil fuel and by 2070 it planned net zero. The Prime Minister was addressing a public rally on the completion of 40 years of Japan Suzuki Motor Corp at Gandhinagar in Gujarat on Sunday. He said that a silent revolution is taking shape in India with rising demand for electrical vehicles. The state and central governments have extended incentives and subsidies for the EV sector. Modi added, when the Suzuki chairman showed interest in setting up a plant in Gujarat, I was confident that with each passing year the company will come to know how much Gujarat is committed to development. The Supertech Twin Towers in Noida, Uttar Pradesh will be demolished on Sunday, marking the end of a 9-year legal battle. The demolitions are set to take place at 2:30 p.m. with the authorities rigging the structure with around 3,700 kg of explosive. 20,000 circuits set for the demolition. The project engineer said the entire process should be take 9 seconds to complete. The authorities have also executed the nearby area so that they are not affected by the explosion and rubble. The demolition was ordered that year and in 2021. The court once again asked the authorities to carry out the order. In the next news, fighting in the cockpit flying over Africa with a leaking engine running, Air France pilots are under investigation following recent incidents that have prompted French authorities to demand for striker safety procedures. Following a physical altercation in the cockpit of a flight from the Geneva to Paris in June, 2 Air France pilots were suspended, an Air France spokesperson revealed on Sunday. The official emphasized the airline dedication to the safety and stated that the flight continued and landed safely with no impact from the incident on the remainder of the voyage. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami spoke extensively on the demand for separate parameter for the state's aspirant in the ongoing Agniveer requirements, HC striking down 30% quota for local women in state civil service, proposed land reforms and Uttarakhand becoming the first state to implement uniform civil code among other issues. The requirement of the Agniveer into the army in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visionary step to employ lack of youth in the defense forces. In the next news, there is a possibility of heavy rain at isolated places during the next 24 hours in Dehradun, Nainital and Champawat districts. In view of this, meteorologists have issued a yellow alert. According to the advisory issued by the Meteorological Department, there is a possibility of heavy rain as isolated place in most area of these districts. Strong thunderstorms may occur in other area. There is also a possibility of lightning in some areas. Director of Meteorological Center and Senior Meteorological Vikram Singh said that in view of the possibility of heavy rains, the officials related to disaster management as well as the common people need to be alert. We'll be back after a short break.
इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. The security forces in Jammu and Kashmir are using high-tech equipment like drones and pan-tilt zoom cameras in anti-terror operations. And now the dog equipped with GoPro cameras and walkie-talkies used for giving commands to them during operations. This has proven to be one of the most effective and safest way to carry out an operation. The dogs from the unit are forced and to detect the location of the hiding terrorists and the arm and the ammunition they are carrying. The feed from the camera fitted on these dogs is monitored from a control room. These dogs are trained to enter the location of the hiding terrorists without getting noticed by them. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal slammed the Gujarat government for letting drug smuggling flourish in the state. His reaction came after the Punjab police recovered 38 kg of heroin concealed in the toolbox of a truck coming from Gujarat on Sunday and arrested 2%, Director General of Police Punjab Gaurav Yadav said. Kejriwal blamed the Gujarat government for pushing the youth of the country into darkness. The DGP said that the two arrested persons are a truck driver identified as Kulvinder Ram alias Kinda and his accomplice identified as B2, both resident of Bilaspur, SBS Nagar. Today, 29 August 2022, the day is Monday. This is the second day of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's visit to Gorakhpur. Arrival of BJP's newly appointed State President Bhupendra Chaudhary. SP President Akhilesh Yadav's visit to Auraiya is today. The demand to change the name of Jaunpur district has also started rising. STF Dehradun complained in Biznor. STF has detained 2 people from home in the paper leak case. Know what will be the special in UP Uttarakhand today. After the darshan worship in CM Yogi Gorakhnath temple, the public will hear the complaint and the darshan. Will review law and order and ongoing development works with officials. Hardik Pandya was a game changer for India as he produced an exceptional all-round performance to propel Rohit Sharma and co to a thrilling 5-wicket win against arch-rival Pakistan in their Asia Cup 2022 opener at the Dubai International Stadium on Sunday. Hardik picked up the 3-wicket haul before playing a match-winning knock of unbeaten 33 to take India home in a pressure run chase. Bhuvneshwar Kumar was the first pick of the bowler for India with a 4-wicket haul while Hardik scalped 3 as Pakistan were scuttled out for a paltry 147 in 20 overs. Institute of Technology and Management Dehradun organized the orientation ceremony for the student of 2022 to 25 academic session. The event was organized to familiarize the new student with the environment and ethos and values of the institution along with the importance of first day in the college. Apart from this, the students were also told how they could attain value-added education to bring about glory for themselves and their alma mater. They wished for their all-round development and a bright future. The new student could be seen quite delighted and enthusiastic reflected in their faces. The event was attended in the full strength led by the chairman Nishant Thapliyal, mentor Shri Rajiv Singh, director Shri R.M. Bhatt, principal Mrs. Anju Garulla Thapliyal, registrar Mrs. Ruchi Thapliyal, all the faculty member of each department in the college. That's all for today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.